Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Meta Platforms. The report was first published on our website February 3, 2022, but this is a more detailed version which also includes some fundamental data you need to know. In this 7 to 10 minute long video we give you the information you need to know about Meta Platforms for the upcoming trading day on Friday 4th, like support and resistance levels, signals, chart analysis, price to earnings ratios, and possible trading levels. Make sure you watch the entire report so you don't miss out on some key information needed for your trading. Please remember to subscribe so we can continue to grow and give you these free videos. Make sure to hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new video. Now just sit back, relax, listen and watch the screen as we will show you some interesting data as we move along with the report. In this section you will get some information about the current Meta Platforms performance to better understand where the stock is right now. In our systems, the Meta Platforms stock currently holds a -7.188 score, and our system has ranked Meta Platforms sell candidate since February 3, 2022. Over the next few days, we will see how this evaluation performs. In our daily updates for Meta Platforms, our last headline reads, Meta Platforms Incorporated stock price took a fall of -26.39% on Thursday. The Meta Platforms Incorporated stock price fell by -26.39% on the last day, Thursday, February 3, 2022, from $323 to $237.76. During the day the stock fluctuated 5.2% from a day low at $235.75 to a day high of $248. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still down by -24.89% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day by 141 million shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 186 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $44.24 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $384.33, and the lowest price was $235.75. Right now the price is 38.14%, or $146.57, below 52-week high at $384.33, which also is all-time high for the stock. The Meta Platforms stock trends, predictions and analyst ratings. Soon we will give you the analyst ratings for the stock, but first the trends. The stock has broken the wide and falling short-term trend down. Firstly, a stronger fall rate is indicated, but false breaks and sell-off may occur. However, a further fall is realistic and any reactions back to the breaking point, $285.40, are considered to be a second chance to get out. According to the fan theory, $237.85 will represent the new bottom line of the next trend, but it is far too early to say this for certain. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -8.68% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 10.04% and 28.3%. The 12-month trend indicates a 15.06% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between 15.48% and 95.92%. This equals a price between $274.56 and $465.83 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Thursday, February 3, 2022, Raymond James set target to $410 to $340. On Thursday, February 3, 2022, Credit Suisse Group set target to $430 to $336. On Thursday, February 3, 2022, Wedbush set target to $325 to $270. On Thursday, February 3, 2022, Robert W. Baird set target to $390 to $325. On Thursday, February 3, 2022, Susquehanna set target to $425 to $375. From analysts, Meta Platforms stock received a general buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Meta Platforms stock a neutral rating. In this section, we will give you some information about signals found for Meta Platforms. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. There are few to no technical positive signals at the moment. The Meta Platforms Incorporated stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $297.71 and $323.42. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, February 2, 2022, and so far it has fallen -26.39%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence (MACD). Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the stock should be followed more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a sell signal. Pivots gave a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 16 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 17 days. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 27 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 87 days. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Meta Platforms. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and given the right condition the stock may perform very badly in the next couple of days. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $12.26 between high and low, or 5.2%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 3.8%. The stock has a beta of 1.38. This tells us that Meta Platforms is 0.38 times more volatile than the market. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Meta Platforms. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Meta Platforms currently has a price-earning ratio of 22.87. This is a relatively normal price-to-earnings ratio and often seen in business with long track record or predictable revenues. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Meta Platforms meets first resistance at $294.63. If you do not hold Meta Platforms shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. The stock does not have any support from accumulate volume below, and may therefore fall very hard and fast given the right conditions. Caution is warned, and you should not place any bet unless you're a skilled trader and know how to play these cases. Other levels you should watch based on the famous Fibonacci model are: buy at $235.82, $232.93, $228.25. Sell at $245.18, $248.08, $252.76. The average ratings, combined from several analyst sources for Meta Platforms, is buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On January 25, 2022, Newstead Jennifer made an inside sell of 125 of Class A common stock. On January 18, 2022, Newstead Jennifer made an inside sell of 125 of Class A common stock. On January 18, 2022, Sue Tony made an inside buy of 3,023 of restricted stock units, RSU, Class A. On January 18, 2022, Sue Tony made an inside buy of 389 of restricted stock units, RSU, Class A. On January 11, 2022, Newstead Jennifer made an inside sell of 125 of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -22.426. In total, the insiders bought 203,037 and sold 322,645 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, no stop loss set. Is Meta Platforms stock a buy? Meta Platforms Incorporated holds several negative signals and is within a wide and falling trend, so we believe it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We therefore hold a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a hold/accumulate to a strong sell candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Friday 4th, we expect Meta Platforms to open up $2.74 and start trading at $240.50. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.